Hey gang, this is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo, and today I want to talk to you about a technology called CallFire, which will allow you to save a lot of time and money, but at the same time make a lot of profits because you're able to go through a lot of dirt and find the gold nugget without you doing your sweat equity. So let's dive in and get started. Now, what is CallFire? CallFire is an automated system where you're able to upload your messages into the voice software, and this software is going to broadcast to thousands of sellers for you in a matter of a click of a button. So the way I use it in my business is I have a database of motivated sellers, let's say 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. And what I do is I hire VAs, which is virtual assistants, to go out there and dig for that information. And once they put into Excel, I run to my control panel on CallFire, and I upload that information into the CallFire. The next thing I do is I make a voice broadcast message right through my iPhone, and this message is basically what I'm going to tell people if I was going to actually call them myself. So instead of me calling every single seller on my database and giving my sales pitch that I could buy their home, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create one voice message on my phone. I'm going to upload it to CallFire in their control panel, and then I'm going to upload my database to CallFire, and then on a click of a button, this software is going to mass call all these people on my database in a matter of minutes. And all I'm going to do is wait to get the people to call me back. They're motivated, okay? I know you've probably seen this happening, but you weren't aware about it. There's a lot of companies that call me what I call auto dialer, okay? And that's what it is. They're just mass messaging or mass broadcasting people. So as a real estate investor, I highly recommend that you guys capitalize on automation so you could free up your life to enjoy life. This is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll talk to you later, gang.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.